Hey, it's Mr. G here. If you got the Segway Ninebot scooter like I do, and you're wondering how the heck do you fold the thing up, I'm here to show you real quick and easy how you fold it up. First you put your kickstand down, boom. And you may be thinking, don't milk me for time, so I gotta skip ahead. I'm gonna do it. I'm not going to do it to you. I'm going to show you real quick like and get right to the point. Right after this message from our sponsors.
No, just kidding. But while you're waiting, make sure to smash that subscribe button. Don't destroy your computer or tablet, mouse.
Put your kickstand in, bam.
Put your ID here.
Got this little lever here, right? Got this little part, alright? So pull that sucker up and now it ain't working. This thing ain't easy, I'm telling you. Not easy. There we go. That's your first thing you're trying to do. You're just trying to tilt this thing, right? You ain't trying to tilt the whole thing. That's what gets people, I think. That's what got me. Pull this up and pull this down. Now the thing will tear you up. I just about scuffed my knuckle right there. It ain't easy. It ain't super easy to get down. This thing's got plastic dip all over it the guy put on it. Previous owner. Like sparkly stuff. Alright. This is how you did it. The mysterious Ninebot D18. You pull this lever up, push this up, and you pull down on it. This way, down. You're going to be pulling out and down, like woo, woo. See? Pull up on this, and then out. Okay. Oh, God! That's not supposed to happen yet, see? Okay, and once that's done, you get it in this position, alright? Next thing you do is you pull this little lever again, then the thing's loose. Then you can bring it all the way down. Okay. Something right there. Now that's because you gotta undo that part still. Alright, I'll show you again here. To put it up is much easier, of course. Pull this, tilt it down. Okay, when you get to this point, you gotta pull this again, which is easy, and then it's loose. And when you get to this point, pull it again. If it's stuck, you loose again. You can get it over here and hook down your little hooker-majigger, which that's a whole nother issue, whole nother story. This little thing. And the way it was when I got it, it was so tight, I couldn't get it unhooked. But that's a whole nother video, a whole nother story, because this video is showing you how to do this, and that's it. Once again, up, out, and down. And one more. That's how you do it. I know it ain't easy because I had to fight with it quite a while to figure it out myself. So if that doesn't explain it to you, I'll live stream, Skype you and show you in person.